Olá, bem-vindos a mais um vídeo da Nascimento, Bancos e Adaptações. Estou trazendo hoje uma adaptação que nós fizemos neste 1 e 2 portas, onde adaptamos o banco do Honda City de tecido, como sempre sem fazer nenhuma furação no veículo cliente. Também fizemos a adaptação do apoio de braço central traseiro, que também é um porta-copos. Como vocês podem ver, banco dianteiro correndo sem nenhuma dificuldade no treino do City. Banco com alavanca para inclinação do encosto, o que possibilita a entrada de passageiros no banco traseiro, e banco motorista com alavanca de regulagem de altura para cima e para baixo. Banco traseiro, como eu disse, com apoio central com porta-copos e também destravando conforme o original pelos botões laterais.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Stepping up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.